The Triton electric fireplace is designed for limitless possibilities. Create a show-stopping feature wall with 20-inch tall glass. You can bring finishing materials like stone or tile right to the edge of the fireplace for a premium built-in look. Choose one-sided, two-sided corner, or three-sided bay configurations to tailor Triton to your space. Want more impact? Link multiple units together for unlimited length and extra warmth. Hear the crackle of a wood fire with 2 authentic sound effects. Customize the glow with 9 flame effects and more than 100 flame and ember bed color combinations. Easily control the sound, lighting, and adjustable heat options with your premium remote or from your phone. You can even choose optional upgrades like birch logs and decorative spheres to suit your style. The Triton electric fireplace, designed for limitless possibilities.